is for apple, crunchy and sweet. A is for airplane, flying so neat. A is for ant, so tiny and small. A is for alligator, big and tall. A is for apricot, juicy and round. A is for arrow, flying off the ground. Let's sing and play, learning the letter A today. Shout hooray, we love the letter A. Meaved. A is for astronaut, up in space, floating around at a steady pace. A is for angel, smiling with glee. A is for acorn, falling from a tree. A is for anchor, strong and tight, holding the ship through day and night. Let's sing and play, learning the letter A today. Shout hooray, we love the letter A. Me. A is for antelope, running so fast. A is for apron, tied on to last. A is for avalanche, snow rolling down. A is for aquarium, full of fish all around.